Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an estimate in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once again, to the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on FreshBooks. So now that let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to create an estimate in FreshBooks. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel of your screen where you have dashboards, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Now, I'd like you to head over to Estimate and click on Estimate, and that's going to walk you right into the Estimate window. So now you have Estimate and Proposals. Of course, in this window at the top right corner, you have the option that says Create New. So click on the Create New button, and you have the extended menu, Estimate and Proposal. So go ahead and click on Estimate. And that takes you over here. Now, the first thing that you like to do is to edit your business information if you want to. So go ahead and click on this hyperlink to edit your business information. Over here, you have prepared for. So you have to select your clients. I have just one client I've added, which Amy Books. So if you don't have a client, go ahead and click on Create a Client. The process of creating a client is pretty simple. Now, estimate date. Add your estimate date by clicking on this date to edit. Add your estimate number. Click on it to edit, and your reference. Now you have the description. Click on Add a Line for you to add an item. So what kind of item do you want to create for this estimate? After adding your item, don't forget to add taxes if you want to. Click on this rate for you to add the rate and the quantity, and of course the line total. So add more lines if you want to add more items. You can add a discount if you want to. Add a note, enter note to bank transfer details, which is optional, and terms, enter terms and conditions, which is also optional. Now you can customize your estimate tab by clicking on this. So you can change the template of your estimate. So click on this arrow in here for you to select any templates that you deem fit. You can choose a theme color. You can select a new theme color for your estimate, and you can also choose a font from this drop down menu. Now, once you're done making changes, go ahead and click on Done. And for clicking on Done, you have your estimate prepared. And after preparing your estimate, click on Save. Now, over here, you can add an image. So drag or add an image in here. Click on Select an Image for you to add an image. Now, adding an image is going to jazz up your estimate. That's pretty cool. Now, after doing that, go ahead and click on Save. Now, these are the steps that you can take to create an estimate in FreshBooks. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.